All right, let's talk about the level design panel. So I'm going to use this crate. I'm going to reset its rotation real quick. So this is pretty self-explanatory. It's a way to move things a little more accurately. So you have the X, Y, Z, move it around how you need it, right? And also it will also respect selections. So you could take something and move it, units away. And also you have the value here. It's default set to 1. You could make it step to 10. Oh, that's too much. Too big of a jump. 0.1, move it, nudge it around. Also the same thing with the rotation. Set to 90 degrees. You can bring that down something like 15. And then you can rotate something by 15 degrees. Same goes with everything else. Scale as well. Increase stuff, as needed. Decrease. Positive, negative. Make stuff bigger. And also everything has a reset, so I can reset scale, reset rotation. If I reset location, it's just going to go 0, 0, 0. Let's see. Where is 0, 0 in this world? Because that's for the next stuff. Let's just isolate this. I'm going to reset its location. All right. So now we have this box in the middle of the world. Let's say I designed something that I really liked on one side. Let's just say it's these cubes. I can actually mirror and rotate them on the x-axis or the y-axis. It's up to you which one you want to use. Also, you can hit the instance, so they'll just instance. And if I move these, it'll instance there. So if you have a symmetrical level, you can easily start like building stuff out and doing that, right? Same with mirror X as well. So if I take this, mirror will just, it won't, it will just copy its location but won't rotate it. And that's what these two are. They'll actually rotate it so they're pointing, the opposite direction. Also, you have random rotation. So if you need a bunch of things to rotate randomly, this is a great little tool. Also, if, let's say you have a tree. Let's go find some trees. Actually, let's reset its rotation. Let's put them down. All right, so we have a bunch of trees here. They are all uniform, and that's kind of boring to look at. So I also have these individual randomize. So if you just do Z, you can get them looking a little more natural. You just keep on hitting the button until you see something you like, and it'll just rotate them randomly on this individual axis. Then we have, actually, let's use that again. Let's say I like this tree a lot, right? And maybe I want to put it right here. An easy thing to do, if you hold Shift, right click, you drop the 3D cursor. You can move to cursor, so whatever you have selected will move to the cursor, or you can instance to cursor. So I can easily start placing down a bunch of trees wherever I want. Pretty handy. That's pretty cool. So another thing you'll notice is that there's roundup location, roundup rotation, and roundup scale. And so what these do, they basically just round up the location, so it'll make it a whole number. So there's no point value. Same with rotation, no point value, whole number. And same with scale, whole numbers. And that is that for the level design panel.